In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF in PDF24. Now, the first thing you want to do whenever you open up your PDF24, you want to click on over here where it says Edit PDF. But if it's not over here and if you can't find it, go to the search box up top and type in Edit, and there we go. You can just click on Edit PDF, okay? Now, whenever you do that, it's going to open up this box which says Choose a File. So you could either choose a file or just drop it in here. So I'm going to go to my folder and I'm actually going to drop a file in here. There we go. And as you can see, it's going to basically open up like this, and this is where you can now edit your PDF in PDF24. So you have a few options up here. As you can see, you have the free drawing option, where of course you could go and select your brush type, you could select your brush width, and then you also have the color over here, which is of course up to you. You could do whatever you want over here, and you could select from free drawing mode and then the straight line drawing mode. So you could go ahead and of course draw whatever you want on here on your canvas, and that way you can edit your PDF. Then whenever you close this, you have the add text option, which basically allows you to put on some text. So for example, if I type in hello over here, and if I highlight this, I could go and change the text up here. I could change the font size, make it bold, italic, underline, etc. There's a bunch of different options, and all of them can be adjusted up here. And then the third option here is to actually add a picture. So if you click on that, it's going to prompt you to actually select an image you have inside your folder. So I'm just going to select a random image, click on open, and there we go. Here I have an image which I can resize, move around, rotate, etc. Okay. Then I also have this option which can add shapes. So here you have a bunch of different shapes. You could go ahead and of course click on these, and they're gonna get added to your screen in here, and that way you can edit the PDF as well. And then you have the clone element button over here, which will allow you to basically clone the element you have currently selected, and then you could also remove different elements by just basically clicking on them and clicking remove element. So that's as much customization as PDF24 actually allows, and yeah, that's how to edit your PDFs with it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.